Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off notification on Monopoly Go. To turn off notification on Monopoly Go, first of all open the Monopoly Go app and make sure to log into it. After you're inside the main game section, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right. Within the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Notifications. You will then be able to see the notification setting. If you've enabled notification on Monopoly Go and you'd like to turn it off, all you need to do is to tap on the toggle button right next to Push Notification. This will then disable or turn off notification settings from the Monopoly Go application. If you don't want to receive instant in-game updates as well, you can also turn off this last option right next to in-game notifications as well. Now, if you ever want to turn on notification within the Monopoly Go, then you'll need to come back to this same notifications page and toggle on the button right next to push notification. In order to receive push notification, if you want to turn on the in-game notifications, then you'll also need to enable the button next to in-game notification and turn it green. So that is how you will be able to turn on and off notification setting on Monopoly Go application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.